Hello friends, welcome to Power BI World. In this video, we will talk about visualization into Power BI and when to use them. Okay, so this is an informative video that will help you to select the right visualizations in any situation. Okay, so let's get started. So if you can see, we have a visualization that reflects on the Power BI desktop. Okay, so what we will do is see these visualizations one by one and when we can use them. So the very first visualizations, that is your column and bar chart, which looks like this on the Power BI desktop, and we can use this column and bar chart when we have to show few values by its category or by its segments, or we have to show or yearly, or we can use this to show day wise details into a column or a bar chart, or year details or year wise sales, so on and so forth. So we can use this column and bar charts. Okay, so our next chart is the line and area charts. Okay, so this will look like this on the Power BI visualization tab, and we can use them to show the trends and changes over time. So this is the line and area chart that we can use. The third chart is your combination charts, okay, which will look like this onto your Power BI desktop, which we can use them to show trend and categories level details. So this is how we can use the combination chart. So if I want to show the trend by categories and the profit for that particular categories, I can use this combination chart to show the categories as well as the trend, like a monthly trend of profit or sales. Okay, so this is what a combination chart is. The next chart is your pie and a donut chart, which will look like this on your Power BI desktop, and we can use them to show the contribution of items to overall total. So example, so if I want to show what is the percentage, so if I want to show the sales by category, so which of the categories has contained, or which of the category has done the maximum sale, so I can use the pie chart. It also gives me the overall contribution of the categories. Okay, the next visualization is your cards, which will look like this on your Power BI desktop visualization. We can use them to show the values, and it can be a single value or a multiple value. So example, if I want to show the total sales, I can use the card visualization, which will give me the total sales or the numbers, the exact figure or the exact number of that particular sale. I can use them to show the profit, so I can use the cards visualization there. Next is your maps, which will look like this on your Power BI desktop, and this helps us to show the regions with the values. So everyone knows in the maps it will give us the region or the state or the city which has done the maximum profit, which has done the maximum sales, which are the regions who are performing low on sales, so on and so forth. So maps help us to give the region wise values. Okay, next one is slicers. This is how it will look onto your Power BI desktop, and slicer is nothing but interactive filters that help user to select value accordingly. So what is slicer? Slicer is nothing but it gives an option to select any of the categories, fields. It helps us to select the dates, month, year. So this is what slicer is, and we can use this slicer to help us filter the value according to us. Okay, the next one is Q&A, which will look like this on your Power BI desktop, and this is nothing but basically if you have any questions related to your charts, if you have any questions to any of your data set, you can ask the Power BI community and they will help you to answer the questions related to your charts and your data set or whatever questions you have. Okay. The next one is your table and matrix, which will look like this onto your Power BI and which help us to show the data in a tabular format. So these are the basic visualization that is used on daily basis to generate reports. Hope this help you to decide the right visualization for any situations. Okay, so that's all about in this video. Hope you like this video. Please comment below and subscribe to my channel.